my good buddy Jacob.
Okay.
Meet Miguel Siri-Rodriguez, an enthusiastic student in the advanced welding program at the Earle C. Clements Job Corps Academy in Morganfield, Kentucky.
And we're best pals. Jacob and Miguel, the two best welders in the South. Ain't that right?
Watching Miguel laugh with classmates and talk shop with instructors, you never know how far he's come. Just a year ago, social anxiety made it hard for him to connect with others. So what helped him come out of his shell? Job Corps.
It's helped me a lot, especially in my communication skills. When I came here, I was a very shy dude, very timid.
He first come to me, you know, he was a little shy, you could tell.
But over the last year, Miguel has found his confidence and a passion for welding. Just listen to how he describes the feeling when he gets a weld just right.
And it's satisfying because if you do it right, the slag just peels off by itself and it's just a nice smooth surface.
Miguel has done so well in the advanced welding program that other students now come to him for advice.
A lot of things, either you're letting the pipe get too hot, you're going too slow, your keyhole might be expanding too much.
Miguel isn't just fired up about his new career path. His decision to go into welding comes at the right time.
So welding is a great career because some of the older guys that weld are retired now.
The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects nearly 46,000 welding openings each year through 2034. Coming up in part 2 of Miguel's story, the major job opportunity waiting for him after graduation.